In life, we often try to stay honest, work hard, and hold on to our values. But sometimes just one moment of greed, one tiny thought, can change our entire destiny. A single decision can open the door to success, or close it forever. Long ago in a small village, there was a carpenter named David. His life was full of hardship. Every day, David cut wood, built chairs and tables, and tried to sell them for just enough money to eat. His life was simple but heavy with struggle. One evening, after working all day without selling a single thing, David walked home with a heavy heart. Suddenly, he heard someone calling, "Is there anyone who can help me with these chests?" David turned and saw an old man struggling with 3 large, heavy chests. The man said, "I need to take them to the next village. I can carry 2, but 1 is too heavy. If you help me, I'll pay you 3 gold coins." David agreed. When he tried to lift the chest, he was shocked at how heavy it was. The old man smiled and said, "It's full of iron, that's why." David placed it on his shoulder and began walking. The old man kept glancing at him, as if afraid he might run away. David thought to himself, "I'm no thief. I just want to earn an honest living." When they reached a wooden bridge across a river, the old man stopped. "I'm too old to carry these 2 chests across. If I try, I might fall. Can you take another chest? I'll give you 3 more gold coins." David nodded, but as he reached for the second chest, the old man said sternly, "Promise me you won't run away. This chest holds silver." David grew irritated. "Do I look like a thief? I'm poor, but I'd never trade my honor for money. I once walked away from a job because they asked me to lie. I'd rather be hungry than dishonest." And with that, he carried the chest across the river. Later, they reached the foot of a hill. The old man stopped again. "I can't climb with this last chest, but inside this one is gold. If you run away, I'll never catch you." David sighed. "I told you, I'm not that kind of man." After a pause, the old man finally gave him the golden chest. "Go on ahead, I'll follow slowly," he said. David carried all 3 chests up the hill, but as he walked, a thought crept in. "If I run now, he'll never catch me. With this gold and silver, I'll be rich forever. I'll buy a house, marry a beautiful wife, and live a life of luxury." Temptation burned in his mind. Finally, David gave in. He ran as fast as he could, carrying all 3 chests home. Breathless, he opened them one by one, only to find nothing but stones. Inside the last chest lay a letter. He unfolded it and read, "I am the king of this land. I have no heir, and I am growing old. I have been searching for a truly honest man to adopt as my son and future king. If you had not run away, that man would have been you." David collapsed in despair. His whole life he had lived with honesty, but one single moment of greed destroyed everything. This story teaches us the greatest power lies in our thoughts. Just one greedy thought, one moment of weakness, can wipe away a lifetime of values. There's a saying, even our worst enemy cannot harm us the way our own negative thoughts can. Every action begins with a thought. Thoughts become words. Words become actions. Actions become habits. And habits shape our destiny. If we want a brighter future, we must plant seeds of honesty, peace, and positivity in our minds. If this story touched you, share it so more people can reflect on it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more inspiring stories.